Good morning, second grade. I'm going to read you the story that some of them we already read, and I just wanted to read it for you because it's going to be on your lessons, okay? Sir Gus and His Stuff. This reader tells the tale of Sir Gus, a knight. In the past, there really were knights like Sir Gus. Knights helped kings and queens keep their lands safe. Here are some of the things a knight would have used: a lance, a shield, Sir Gus, a spear, and a sword. Knights rode on horses and helped defend castles. So here's a knight, Sir Gus, and a castle. The beginning. Long before you were born, in a place we can no longer find, there was a king. King Alfred was his name. King Alfred was in charge of a large land that stretched from the dark forests of the north to the sea in the south. The people of this land were very happy with him as their king. King Alfred liked to have fun. He liked parties and feasts. He was fair and kind, and he kept his people safe. And here's King Alfred. King Alfred could not do this all by himself. He had 12 knights to help keep his lands peaceful and his people safe. These brave knights, well, sometimes they were brave, helped to keep bad things from happening. Those are his knights. And he had 12 knights. The most well-known knight of all was Sir Gus. He was fearless. The king himself had given Sir Gus the name Fearless, Sir Gus the Fearless. This was an odd name, for Sir Gus was not entirely fearless. In fact, he had a lot of fears. Sir Gus was scared of the dark. He was scared of mice and bats and spiders. He did not like boats, and he could not swim. Shadows and loud noises made him faint. In fact, lots of things made Sir Gus faint. And fainting is when he falls down. Sir Gus had all the things a knight must have. He had a shield and a lance. He had a spear and a sword. But Sir Gus liked a long soak in the bathtub better than a fight. There's Sir Gus. Cats and horses made Sir Gus itch. Sometimes the itching was so bad that he would start jumping up and down. Sir Gus was rather absent-minded, which means he wasn't always thinking right. He had lost a lot and could really tell which way to go. Sir Gus found it difficult to get up in the morning. He liked to sleep in, so he was late most of the time. All in all, Sir Gus was a rather odd knight, which means he was different. But King Alfred did not see this. What he saw was that Sir Gus always served him well. Here he is. Here's his shadow. He gets scared. There's a cat. Makes him itch. That was the first story. I will continue reading on the next video.